Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to answer the question from the client. Client looking for the information on this Kawneer 033091 dogging kit for Paneline. Wants to order 2 of them, but wants to know the dimensions. Mainly the bolt in the center looks like a coupling nut. Okay, so we would call that a dogging shaft is what we would call that. And I'm going to provide you that information now. As far as I know, the dogging shaft is not serviceable in the field for people looking to do so, and I know this client has a different use for it. Yeah, it must be... it's held in with a C-clip down here underneath the shoulder of the bolt. That's how it's held in. You could certainly service that, I suppose, but you're going to have to drive the pin out that's in here. That silver pin running through it would have to be driven out, and that would be the challenge as far as I could see. You could drive that out, install a new one, and then drive the pin back in. At the end of the day, I don't think it's worth the time. So the overall length of the bolt, approximately, quite close to 1.175. From the head here to the back side of here where that's almost flush, 1.175, probably 1.15. The outside diameter of the exposed part, 0.434. The overall height of the exposed part, 0.462. The dimension, if you were going to insert an Allen wrench into this, the size of the Allen wrench, and I'm just going to measure it, I believe it to be 0.178, so probably 3/16. Let's confirm that, what size that Allen wrench is. Kawneer dogging. The Paneline dogging key, they don't tell us. It's not indicated. Well, going across the flats here, my caliper tells me, well, actually, hold the phone. Sorry, I needed to pause that video and get a little closer look. So 0.22, basically 221 or so. So I'm going to say 7/32 of an inch would be the Allen key size of that. The diameter of the shaft down into the middle of it, about 0.312. 0.312 the diameter of the shaft down here. So hopefully that answers your questions, and if not, please let us know. Thank you very much. Again, thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please click thumbs up, please subscribe, and maybe even send the video to someone that you know. Thank you.